Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI tutorials for absolute beginners. One of the recent comment and question that came up to me in my inbox was, can AI really replace human creativity? Very interesting question. We live in a time where AI is rapidly changing every single aspect of human touch and creativity, right? Uh, right from content generation to image generation to video generation to music generation and much more. There are AI tools which are really generating any sort of content that human produces. So the real question is, can AI replace human creativity? I'm going to share you my viewpoint and some thoughts, and let's see. And I would definitely want to see and hear from you. So what is the great debate about? AI can remix, but it cannot originate, right? So like any good AI model or a tool or a system, it can only remix what is available. It learns from the data it's been trained on. So AI cannot really generate an original, content. Yes, there would be mix and match. It will remix with thousands and millions of data, but original, not yet. It can learn patterns from the data, but definitely it cannot learn the emotions that humans produce while writing or creating content or music, etc. For sure, it's closing the gap faster than we think. It's producing human like quality, near original. But again, these are all being automated, right? Like visuals, copy, music, content generation, emails, writing, essays, everything is being automated. So creative jobs really, in my view, are evolving, not disappearing, right? Evolving because as a developer, as a content creator, as a writer, I use AI tools to make my work easy, to get my work done better, faster, more efficient. So, like any other human job which involves some kind of content related, you need to evolve. You need to use this AI tools, agents in your favor to create better, not disappear. What humans still own, right? That's what I was thinking, that what do we own if AI can do everything? Taste, right? Style, emotion, context, these are natural to humans. A machine can never replicate a taste. It can never replicate your own personal style, or even worst, it cannot understand emotions, right? Or it can always not be related to the context. You can show it can generate an image of a monkey eating a banana, but there can be a story behind it that the monkey was hungry for many days and it found food. So the the art can be generated or can be perceived that it was generated, but the real story behind that is something that only humans can understand, can correlate. Real empathy and lived experience, right? Now, having done the tutorials of Angular from Angular 2 onwards, almost 10 years of this journey, I have lived that experience, right? So I have that feelings, I've seen that change happening in the framework, in the developer ecosystem, in building apps, in the framework, in the ecosystem, in the community. Those are all real experiences that humans live through. A machine can definitely give you code, but it cannot live that experience. Unexpected connections AI can't predict. Now, there are things humans do which AI can never predict. Though it says it can do prediction, but as humans, we are always unpredictable. The most and single most important thing, chaos, right? I think humans by nature, we are designed to be chaotic, which is, in my view, a birthplace of creativity, right? So that particular chaos helps us become more creative, come up with more ways. As a matter of fact, the AI is designed, developed by humans, right? That itself is a creative act. So what I would suggest, that you stay to be on the edge, right? So start co-creating with AI, right? Use AI for inspiration, not imitation. Let it handle drafts, you handle the depth, right? Which means it can give you a basic overview, bullet list points, or some data, but take that, refine it, add your experience, add your emotion, add your stuff to make it more human centric. Combine AI generated ideas into something unique. Obviously, that I'm sure you guys are already doing. Learn to direct AI like a creative assistant. This is my favorite part. I always tell that everybody has got their assistant now. How you make use of it is up to you, right? So make fully use of it, exploit these AI systems to your favor in more creative way, because the future belongs to these AI augmented artists, not just independent artists, but AI augmented artists. That's my take on it. You let me know in the comment section what you think about, can AI replace human creativity, human aspects? What change are you seeing? What do you feel? This is your platform to share your voice, and I would love to hear it from you in the comment section. So thank you so much for joining. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please do continue to support me, and we will become AI augmented artists together. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.